Hello everyone. Today we will walk you through the activation and test flight procedures of the A80 agricultural drone. Product configuration. The shipment includes A80 aircraft ×1, 34,000 mAh batteries ×2, 12 kilowatts charger ×1, and TC3 remote controller ×1. For detailed optional configurations, please consult our sales team. Registration and activation. 1. Place the aircraft in an open area and unfold it. Check whether the arms, propellers, clamps, landing gear, and tank are damaged or not properly secured. 2. Inspect the remote controller to ensure it is in good condition, then power it on, short press plus long press to turn on. Confirm that the network connection is normal and the battery level is sufficient. 3. Keep the remote controller powered on. Then install the aircraft battery and power on the aircraft, short press plus long press to turn on. 4. Open the Agri Assistant app to register an account. 5. On the pop-up page, tap Register to enter the user registration interface. 6. Enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions to complete account registration. 7. Return to the remote controller, tap Confirm, then tap Activation, and follow the prompts on the remote controller to complete the aircraft activation. 8. Tap Battery Activation, then follow the prompts on the remote controller to complete the battery activation. 9. After activation, return to the home page and open Devices to check whether the firmware of the aircraft and remote controller is up to date. If not, tap the blue highlighted area to upgrade to the latest version. Test flight. 1. Recheck that the battery is properly installed, the aircraft locks are securely fastened, the propellers are fully unfolded, and the surrounding environment is safe. 2. Pull both control sticks simultaneously to the bottom right at a 45 degrees angle. Once the propellers start spinning, return the sticks to the center. Take off and fly the aircraft to an altitude of 3 to 4 meters. Perform a simple forward, backward, left, and right test flight. If everything is normal, slowly pull down the left throttle stick. After the aircraft touches the ground, pull the throttle stick to the lowest position and hold it for a moment. The aircraft will automatically lock. 3. Add a small amount of water into the tank, then open Settings and enable the droplet test and spray test. Check whether the spraying system is working normally. Special notice. 1. The emergency motor stop procedure is as follows. Pull the left control stick to the bottom left 45 degrees position and the right control stick to the bottom right 45 degrees position simultaneously. The propellers will stop immediately. 2. Please strictly comply with the laws and regulations of your country or region and conduct all flight operations in a legal and compliant manner. That concludes this plant protection quick guide. Follow the TopXGun channel to unlock more professional plant protection skills.